Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on Microsoft 365 or Office 365 apps. So we learn how to use our office.com account. In this video, we will go on some of the applications that's available to us part of our Office 365 subscription. As you can see on the left side, I have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Onenote, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. So these are the frequently used Microsoft 365 applications that comes part of your subscription. So I will click one by one. So here it will open the Word. We can check one of the existing Word files that we have, or we can create a blank new Word document. And as soon as we click on that, you would see this logo is familiar. You may have used it in your computer. Anything you save here, it's automatically saved into your OneDrive. Same Excel and PowerPoint. Now I won't go to each of them, but these are Office Suite or Office applications that comes within your Office 365 account. Outlook, you may have seen on the first video how to use Outlook. But here you go. If you click on that, it will open the Outlook online version, which you can send and receive emails and set up a calendar invite using Microsoft Outlook. What is OneDrive? As I mentioned, any file that you save on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, it's automatically saved to OneDrive. Now OneDrive itself is a huge topic, but for the sake of this video, we will just click on it to know the basic functionality. It's a cloud storage where any files that you could create online or even on your desktop computer if OneDrive client is logged in and synced. In other words, if you don't have your machine and try to go to office.com and click on OneDrive, all the files and folders that you have on OneDrive, you can access it online through browser, through an app for mobile devices, or through any computer as far as you know your username and your password. So this is the look of the OneDrive. Here is OneNote, similar to Word or other Office suites. When you click on OneNote, you can create a new OneNote or new notebook. I will name it Techie, and it will load Microsoft OneNote in a separate windows for us. And here you go. We can use Microsoft OneNote as well. Now the next one is SharePoint. SharePoint is an online storage and collaboration. Corporate files are all your team's related files. You do have options to create intranet sites, communication pages, and all others. We will cover most of the advanced features for SharePoint. The last one on this row is Microsoft Teams, which is the new collaboration and communication application from Microsoft is the combination of Skype, Skype for Business, Microsoft Link, and with a lot of new updates and features included. Teams has integration with SharePoint, and also it can be used to collaborate and communicate and work on files and chat with friends and colleagues. So these are all the applications that are frequently used. Now when I click on the 9 little dots, you will see, or the app launcher, all these frequently used application there as well. But if I click on open all application, you would see that the list is huge and it will bring some others. As I mentioned earlier, I won't go to each of them, but the ones that are frequently used is already covered. There are some others that I want to touch base. One of them is Microsoft Forms. If I click, it will open it in new form, in new tab for us, and that's Microsoft Forms, which is a survey kind of. You may have used Google Forms or any other forms, so this is Microsoft Forms. Again, going to App Launcher, All Apps, Microsoft List. Previously it was called SharePoint List. The new updated name is called Microsoft Lists, and here it's kind of combination of both Excel and Access, but in a new fashion. The other one is Planner, which is also called To Do or Microsoft Tasks. Here you will see all the tasks assigned to you. It's kind of your daily planner or to do. Going back to App Launcher, and the three others that I will cover is Microsoft Power Apps, or it's the family of Power Platform, Microsoft Power BI, and Microsoft Power Automate. So these three with the other one, which is Power Virtual Agent, are called Power Platform. In short, these are some of the most frequently used apps that comes part of your Office 365, or the new name is Microsoft 365 subscription. Thank you for staying with us. Thanks for watching this video. Please share, like, and comment, and do subscribe to the channel. Till then, goodbye.